Hi, this is Kens from Million Dots. So I get this question quite often. What is this right issue? And regarding the right issue provided by the famous company Reliance. Before coming into the details regarding the right issue provided by Reliance, let me tell what is this right issue. Basically, when a company which is already existing in stock market decide to issue more shares, they plan to give these shares in a discounted price to its existing investors. Basically, a person who is holding a company which is providing the right issue will be available to buy that particular share at a discount price. Investor will be having two options, either to buy the right issue or just to ignore it. Either of this can be good. So coming to the Reliance right issue. Basically, Reliance issued the shares at 1257, which is around 14% discounted at current market price. The face value of share of Reliance is rupees 10 and it is in a ratio of 1:15. So basically this 1:15 ratio is like an existing investor who hold more than 15 shares only will be eligible for this right issue. And for each 15 shares he hold, he will be getting each right issue shares. So if an investor is holding less than 15 shares, he won't be able to, or he won't be eligible to get the right issue of shares. And basically the ratio, as I told, is 1:15. And a person who hold more than 15 shares within a record date. So basically record date is a date that is issued by Reliance itself. They haven't issued it yet. So before the record date, if you hold more than 15 shares, you will be eligible for right issue share. You need to be only paying 25% of the right issue share price initially, and you can pay the rest once the Reliance calls for it. These are the details regarding the right issue given by the Reliance company. And the next question or the next often thing that I hear is regarding the bonus shares. And basically what is the difference between this bonus shares and right issue? So basically bonus share is a share which you get for free from the company for existing investors. So right issue, the difference between right issue and bonus share is that right issue you will be getting the shares for a discounted price, whereas bonus shares you will be getting it for free. Hope you get a rough idea regarding the things. Thank you.